How's it, guys? In today's video we're going to be looking at the preview option here in VinylCut. Just go to the intro. Okay, now remember, if you don't know where you can find this video, you can always go to softwaretraining.co.za. We've got more videos there on different programs and so forth. And then also we upload videos daily, so keep an eye on that. Okay, now you're in the actual program. A good reason to use the preview option is so that mainly you don't waste a lot of resources, so you can kind of get a good idea beforehand what's going to look like, what's going to be cut, before you actually do a lot of test prints and cutting random things, and then you just end up wasting time and resources. So now, for instance, like with these two shapes here, it is like just by your looking at it, you'll be thinking, okay, it's going to cut this shape and then it's going to cut this shape, you know, the way they look. But as we can see here, they're actually overlapping. So now if we click here on the preview on top here, then you will see they're actually having a overlap here, which means now once this vinyl cutter finally cut, it's going to cut 3 shapes where it only needed to actually cut 2 shapes. So now under the preview options, we've got your show cut lines and then show draw lines. So this is nice sometimes with like paths and stuff like that. Then so stuff is not going to be cut. And then the rest here we'll be covering soon. So then let's say you want to like import a graphics or something. Then you know, it's like a cute little monkey with it's got a see-through background, so it's actually a square. Now, if it's not by default printing cut lines, which mine happens to be, so if we go to preview, then you can see where the cut lines are. But let's say you import your graphics and it does not do that. Then what you can always do is you select your little monkey, and then you go on top here, or your graphics, sorry, and you go to trace, and then it'll pop up the trace options. Then you select your image that you want to trace, and then let's say we go update preview. Now by default you'll see it makes cut lines for all the shapes. So if you're cutting out individual shapes for all the colors, then this is fine. But let's say your printer can actually print and vinyl cut, and so you're going to make like a sticker base, and you want to cut outline. Then what you want to do is you go to the bottom here to blackout, select that, and let's update the preview, and then you'll notice it's only cutting the outline. Then you select OK, and then it will make an individual little shape for what's going to be cut out. So if we go to preview, like imagine now this one did not have cut lines. Then if you go to preview here, you can see there's the new cut line, so they'll just be over your graphics, which is quite convenient. And then let's say it is one of those machines that can print and cut, then you want to switch on here the show printable. Now you can see your graphics and you can see where it's going to be cutting it. Then another handy one to know is show print margins. So this will be where your vinyl cutter will be printing. So if we click that, we can see, okay, here's the border. So anything outside of this, it will not be printing. So if your graphics is, let's say, over here, then it's going to only print half of it. So it's good to preview this so you can get a good idea, so you don't by accidentally only print a piece of it. Then the last one here, we've got the show nodes. If we select that, then you can kind of, it's like connect the dots, but with a smooth intersections. And then you can kind of see where's your outline going to be. And in some cases you can modify these, so if it's not completely accurate. Otherwise, if we just head over to the website here. Now, you know, so the print preview option is a great way so that you, like I said, don't waste resources, stuff like that. And then yeah, it just actually saves you a lot of time. But then yeah, on the website, let's look at, you know, you can go to softwaretraining.co.za, and then over here you can find more videos like this or you can look here under software. You can choose if you're using a different program. You can just go down the list, see if we have anything there already, or if you don't find it there, you click search and then see. If you still come short, then you can always go request a training video and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks for watching guys, and cheers.